In this video, we'll show you how to enroll relative accessories. Firstly, enroll remote control. Enter the system. Choose Enroll Remote Control. Press Enroll, then press any of the buttons on the remote control.
Repeated learning.
When you hear repeated learning, it means enroll repeatedly. Secondly, choose Enroll Detect menu. Enroll the door window sensors. You can press 4 or 6 to choose door. Enter the enroll address. You can see address 123. Now, open the back cover of door sensor. Load the battery. Press panel enroll and trigger the door sensor.
Learning successful.
You will listen learning successful. Thirdly, let's enroll the PIR. You can choose another address. Open the plate of PIR. Load the battery. Press the panel enroll and the PIR enroll.
Learning successful.
You will listen learning successful. Fourth, let's enroll the RFID card. Choose Enroll RFID card menu. Press Enroll and sweeping RFID card.
Learning successful.
You will listen learning successful. Finally, let's enroll siren. Choose Enroll siren. Now, open the siren cover. Connect the battery. Press the panel and siren enroll.
Learning successful.
You will listen learning successful. And that's the end of this product video. I hope you will enjoy it. Thank you.